Two courses ambazo nitazi highlight: software engineering and data science, which is what. So data scientist kazi yake kubwa is solving problems. Software engineer ana create websites, ana create application. He deals with the whole development environment. Yona hata hii YouTube ambao unaiona right now, it was created by a software engineer. This whole web app. Can AI replace these two fields? And so watu ambao wanahisi kwamba data scientist can be its job opportunities by AI, my friend, bado can still get into this field. What's up, my people? How are you doing, guys? It's another episode of Talk Tech with G. Before kuona mazee, welcome back. So good right here. I hope everything is good kwako. So today tunaenda kuongelea one of things ambao watu wanakuaga wana maswali mengi, hasa kwenye hizi course. Leo tunaongelea two courses. Huko mbele tutakuja tutashanganua na ku break down some other few courses ambazo zinahusiana na tech field, lakini leo tutaenda kuziongelea two, alafu tutaenda kuzi break down kuangalia the difference between each two, kwa sababu nimekutana na watu in my DMs, nimekutana na watu in my WhatsApp chats. Oya bro, hizi courses tofauti gani? Oya nikiingia hii course ikoje? Nikiingia huku ikoje? So today I'm gonna start with two courses ambazo nitazi highlight differences zake, alafu tutaangalia which is which and which is what. So the main two courses that we're gonna look onto today, ya kwanza ni software engineering na ya pili ni data science. So hope you guys are ready for this. So we will start kwa kuangalia vitu mbalimbali. So the first thing that we're gonna start to look at the roles that they play in the industry. So we're gonna start to look on the role that they play. Data scientist, role gani ambayo anaicheza, software engineer, role gani ambayo anaicheza when it comes to organizational setup or organizational environment. So kwa data scientist role ambayo kubwa ambayo anaiplay yeye, mara nyingi in an organization, data scientist kazi yake kubwa is solving problems. Yani problems hizo ambazo zinakuwa ni related in business perspective. Kivipi? Yeye anachokuwa anahusika kikubwa sana. Data scientist is a person ambaye deals much more with statistics, much more with machine learning, making predictions and creating algorithm ambazo zitaweza kusaidia kuevaluate na kupima biashara yako au organization ambayo yupo. How much successful will it be? How much earnings are expected to come from a certain product or from a certain MVP, most valuable product. Kwa hiyo data scientist kazi yake yeye, imekuja bidhaa mpya, right? Maybe let's say kwamba chukulie mfano kampuni kubwa labda kama Baresa, si ndio? Ameleta labda maji, si ndio? Maji mapya tuseme, si ndio? Ambayo yana new packaging, new branding, but ni kampuni ya Baresa. So kazi ya data scientist ni kuhighlight katika ile product ya maji mapya ambayo Baresa ameleta. Cha kwanza anaangalia ni metrics gani ambazo zinaweza kupima success rate ya ile product. Je, kwa uuzaji? Je, kwa namna ambavyo itakavyo labda sambaa kwenye mitandao, social media, vitu kama hivyo. So yeye kazi yake anaangalia metrics za kuweza kuanalyze hii product itaenda au haiendi, alafu ana make predictions, more likely predictions on how much earnings will the product give to the organization, watafaidika kiasi gani, wataweza kuingia cost kiasi gani kuipush ile product, at the end of the day nini outcome ya ile product in general. So that's one. The second, data scientist mara nyingi sana he works close with software engineers in part of development, kwa sababu yeye kazi yake pia kubwa ni collection, gathering, cleaning data. Sawa, whenever the software engineer is involved to create a website or an app, data scientist kazi yake ni collect data na clean this data ili mradi iweze kuwa interpreted by software engineer. So ukiangalia they worked together but kinda in a different aspect. So that's another thing. Kingine tutaenda kumove on sasa kwa software engineers. Now what's the difference? Software engineer yeye kazi yake sasa ana create websites, ana create application. He deals with the whole development environment, development cycle. Yeye kazi yake ni kufanya those metrics na those information that were collected by a data scientist, bringing them to life, bringing them into existence. Sasa zile application ambazo unaziona, hata hii YouTube ambayo unaiona right now hata hii YouTube ambayo unaiona right now, it was created by a software engineer. This all web app to the point ambayo paka imekuwa an application in the phone. If you're looking in the phone, then it's an application. If you're looking in the PC, then it's a website. They were all created by a software engineer. So hiyo ndo kazi kubwa ya software engineer, to bring that information into life ambayo was collected by a data scientist in the requirement gathering process, in the process of cleaning the data. Software engineer kazi yake kubwa yeye ni ku bring it into life, which is me, my guy, software engineer. So that's one. Second thing, pia software engineer ambacho anafanya ni maintaining. Yeah, anafanya maintenance of that application. There were a few updates that came into YouTube, kama umeangalia into Instagram. So that's the maintaining ambao tunaongelea hapa. Yani kwamba imetokea an update, imetokea complaints, imetokea errors, bugs. Software engineer kazi yake ni ku-review the codes that ameandika ku create that application na kuwezesha kwamba the new updates and the bugs and the fixes that are uploaded run smoothly, ili mradi usipate shida yoyote katika kutumia your application. So that's one part on the roles that they play in organization. Second part that we're going to look at, watu wengi sana wanajiuliza, okay, sawa, software engineer, data scientist, what degree should you get? Yeah, mradi uingie in this field. Kwamba okay, mimi nataka ni software engineer, sasa nachukua degree gani? Mimi nataka niwe data scientist, nachukua degree gani? So we're going to look at the highlight some courses ambazo like software engineer can take, data scientist can take. Tukianza na software engineering, the courses ambazo mtu anaweza akachukua ambazo zikamfanya aweze kuingia kwenye software engineering au akawa software engineer. Number one is computer science. Once you look into the course of computer science, you are more likely to be able to qualify to be a software engineer, because ukiangalia the curriculums, ukiangalia the basic things that you're gonna learn while you're taking a bachelor in computer science, utakuta kuna coding, kuna data structures, kuna algorithm, kuna math humo ndani, vitu kama hivyo ambavyo vinamfanya to create a software engineer. Another is the course itself, software engineering. Some places wanazo hizo course, some places hawana hiyo course ya software engineering, lakini there is an existence of a software engineering course, a software engineering course ambayo per se you will be told how to design, to create, to gather information throughout all the process ya kuweza kuengineer softwares na kuweza kucreate your own thing. Another course ambayo mtu anaweza akaengage nayo ni information tech. Remember hapa tunaongelea mtu ambaye anataka kuingia in software engineering. Another course ni information tech, information technology. Mtu akisomea information technology anaweza pia akajiengage at the end of the day, inakuwa rahisi for you to transition into software engineer. Another is the course ambayo I literally finished in the United African University of Tanzania. Shout out to my university, big up sana. I completed a computer engineering course and IT ambayo ndo nilifanya mimi for almost 4 years. So yeah, hiyo course nayo ukifanya, it gives the basics and the whole structure of being a software engineering. Kwa sababu the main thing that we are looking at things as data structures, we are looking at things as algorithms, we are looking at things like coding skills. So once you get that, once you able to find those curriculums kwenye degree yako au kwenye course ambao unaifanya, it's easy for you to transition into software engineering and being a good software engineer once you finish, or while still you're taking your course your way. So tukimove kwa data science, a data scientist yeye anabidi awe na background, a good background au na degree in statistics and probability, because kazi nyingi sana za data science involves arithmetical problems, quantitative problems, vitu ambavyo vina involve numbers and creating algorithms and creating, kama nilivyosema, metrics. So you have to have not per se a degree in statistics and probability, but hata a background in it is well and good. Another, hata mtu pia ambaye amesoma computer science, you can be a data scientist, kwa sababu mtu ambaye amesoma computer science kama tulivyosema, pia amesoma algorithms, amesoma data structures, amesoma math. Kwa hiyo anaweza pia akaternate akashift to be a data scientist. Any quantitative field, when I'm saying quantitative field, ni field zile ambazo zinahusiana kama nilivyosema, field ambazo zinahusiana na mahesabu, field ambazo zinahusiana na math. If you're good with numbers, if you're good with analytics, if you're good in finding logical and solving arithmetical problems, you're good to shift into a data scientist. So not per se 100% you have to study IT courses, but if study courses ambazo ziko arithmetic oriented, then yes, you can be a data scientist. So this is a call out to everyone out there ambaye anahisi mimi labda inabidi nimesomea masuala IT. There's a brush off on some certain tools and instruments that you're going to use ambazo utabidi uzitumie while being a data scientist. Like, it's not a big deal. Some of the most successful data scientists ambazo they're out there, they haven't studied tech or tech related field, but they were just good with numbers. They were just good with solving logical problems and algorithms, which is all that matters. Once you get that basis, you can shift into data scientist. And also the last two courses is the data science itself. So once you study data science itself as a course, you can be able to be a data scientist. And the last one ni hii ambayo nimesoma computer engineering, so I can also be a data scientist. I have the basis of being a data scientist. Ni kwamba tu, it's not a career that I chose to pursue. Man, I love codes. I've already said this in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out, why I chose tech. So yeah, ukiangalia utaona I have a passion, I have a thing for codes. Mimi codes is my thing. Yani mimi stare at wanaitaga madude. Marafiki zangu wanaitaga madude. Stare at madude for 3 years, 4 years, mimi kwangu sio shida sana. Yani mimi hata lifetime nzima nikitumia, mimi naangalia tu codes, mimi kwangu ni unyama sana. Kwa hiyo yeah, computer engineering, if you take computer engineering, you can also be a data scientist. So apart from that, there was a day juzi, I was in my group chat ya alumni ambapo nilipomaliza UT, and ikazuka mjadala wa AI, how AI will replace certain jobs, how AI will take over some certain things and certain opportunities and career path. And it got me thinking, watu wengi sana waga wanauliza, can AI replace these two fields, a data scientist field and computer engineering field? Now we're going to look at upande wa data science na upande wa engineering, software engineering. Can AI replace those people? I'm going to answer you today. So I'm going to highlight in things that AI can do and what AI cannot do, kwa upande wa data science na kwa upande wa software engineering. So kwa upande wa data science, AI can help you with cleaning process. We said a data scientist collects information, collects data and cleans it ili mradi iweze kuwa interpretable. So in the process of cleaning the data and kuifanya iwe a little bit more interpretable, AI can help you with that process. Kuna some hyperparameters ambazo tunaweza ukaipa labda an AI model ambayo itaweza sasa allow the cleaning, vitu viangalie vitu gani vya sanitize, vitu gani vya unsanitize, vitu gani vya omit in your tables or in your information, vitu gani vya kuviacha. So that's what you can do, but AI can help you with the cleaning process. Also, AI can help you in generating reports, can help you in generating dashboards of certain information that you have collected kwa mtu ambaye ni data scientist. Also, AI can be used to create auto machine learning. Auto machine learning ni machine learning ambazo they just being tuned the hyperparameters. Kuna vitu vinaitwa hyperparameters. If you're in the field, you know them. So hizi hyperparameters ni vitu ambavyo zinachangia the prediction au the outcome of a model. Ni vitu ambavyo they are core parameters or core factors that alter the prediction or the outcome. Mfano mzuri, ukiwa una type down a prompt au ukiwa unaandika pale kwenye ChatGPT yako, kuna majibu ambayo yanakuwa yanaletwa, lakini yale majibu yanakuwa brought to you in a way ambayo your prompt has been written. So your prompt is the hyperparameter pale. Ukiangalia kuna vitu kwenye Google tunaitaga keywords. Ukiwa una search kitu kuna vitu tunaitaga keywords. So what the AI does, it looks at the keywords that you have written. Those are considered as hyperparameter, or in simple example. So what it can do, it can create an auto machine learning ambazo what you can use wewe kama data scientist una shift to zile hyperparameters, lakini the model inakuwa the same, so it brings out the result based on the shifting or the alternation of the hyperparameters. That's what AI can do in data science field. But what AI can do na ya kwanza is problem framing. So kama tulivyoongea kwenye mfano wetu wa kwanza on the roles, the data scientist has to find a way to create metrics ambazo zitaweza kusolve a problem. Sasa kutengeneza problem au kujua problem ni ipi, AI cannot do that. So you can see there's still the need of human interaction in this field. Kwamba yes, AI can sanitize, AI can be used to create auto machine learning, but in the problem making itself, identifying kwamba this is the problem, to create that problem, kuona kwamba hii ni tatizo, AI cannot do that. Another thing, AI cannot interpret results. It can generate a report, but interpreting the results to the stakeholders, interpreting the results to the bosses, interpreting the results kwamba hii factor na hii factor inapelekea hii factor, this is the outcome based on this arithmetical results or based on this prediction. Hiyo kitu AI it cannot do. It needs an expert ambaye anaelewa the results that has been given by AI and break it down bit by bit, as I'm doing right now on FieldTech, breaking down bit by bit the results ambazo zimeletwa, ili mradi mtu ambaye ni layman, mtu ambaye hayupo kwenye field aweze kuelewa. So kitu kingine ambacho AI cannot do is bias handling. Dig deep in AI, kuna kitu kinaitwa bias. AI models mara nyingi zina kitu kinaitwa hallucination, zina hallucinate. Hata ukiwa mtu ambaye pursue sana, umesearch sana kwenye ChatGPT au zunguka sana, umekaa nayo, kuna sometimes utaona ukiambia labda ikuletee links au ukiambia ikuletee references, sometimes inakuletea links ambazo hazipo, au inakuletea references ambazo they are not existing in the website. So hivyo vitu tunaita hallucination, ndio kitu kinaitwa bias handling. So kwa mtu ambaye ana relate moja kwa moja kwa AI, anaweza akatumia AI. Another thing that AI does is bias handling. So kama wewe ni mtu ambaye umezunguka sana ChatGPT, umetumia sana hasa kwa watu ambao wanafanyaga sana kwenye masuala ya assignments machuoni nini, na wajua tupo wengi, mimi nimetumia in a point. Kwa hiyo ukiangalia, sometimes it provides references and websites ambazo ukiziclick au ukizirefer to, unakuta they do not exist in the website au in the internet. So hizo ndo tunaita bias au tunaita hallucinations. AI does hallucinate sometimes, inaita vitu ambavyo havipo. So the main goal of any AI or any machine learning au any model, kazi yake ni kukuletea predictions. So it brings the most likely prediction on what input you have given it. So sometimes inaweza ikawa ni uongo, lakini as long as is almost close, itakuletea hiyo prediction. Yani hakuna namna ambavyo yani hata ukiingiza ChatGPT hakuna namna ambavyo haitakuletea results, lazima itakuletea results. Now it's for you to evaluate, are the results right, because sometimes ndo kama hivyo inafanya bias. Kwa hiyo you can see there is still a need of data scientists, regardless the fact kwamba kuna hivyo vitu ambavyo vinaweza kufanya, lakini at the end of the day lazima educated personnel, mtu ambaye yuko educated enough, mtu ambaye ana knowledge enough, lazima awe involved in the process. So watu ambao wanahisi kwamba data scientist can be overwhelmed or can be taken away its job opportunities by AI, my friend, bado you can still get into this field. So yeah, that's kwa upande wa data scientist. Kwa upande wa software engineering, looking at what AI can do, one, AI can generate codes. Yes, some of our codes are AI generated. Yes, we use AI sometimes. But what people don't know ni kwamba as I said, AI gives you results no matter what. Now, the structuring of the development or of the development process or of the application, the framework of how the application is, AI haijui, it's only the developer ambaye anajua. Yeah, so this was my time. Now guys, press here, watch my other video, and press down there for subscribing in this channel. This was called Listen Stanley. Peace out, my guys. See you in the next one.